The first thing you want to do is to invert your top blouse inside out. And then you're going to measure the length of your sleeves. How how long or how short you want your sleeves. So in my case, I'm measuring it 9 inches, and then you would add 1 inch allowance and another half inch. So a total of 1.5 inch allowance. You want to create a 90-degree angle, and with a ruler, draw a line. Now we are going to cut the sleeve, and you would do the same thing on the other sleeve. I also like to mark the other side of the sleeves. Fold the sleeve on the second line. Note that the width of the second line should match the width of the first line. In order for us to do that, we have to make a little adjustment. Mark the end of the seam of the first line. With your ruler, draw a line from the mark to the sleeve seam, and also from the mark to the seam of the armhole. With your sewing machine, sew a running stitch where the line is. You can reinforce it with a zigzag stitch. Then cut the excess fabric. Then you do the same to the other sleeve. Fold the sleeve on the first line and then iron. After you're doing that, then you will fold again on the second line and then iron. Then sew a running stitch. Watch my other video to show you how to easily convert a regular collar shirt to a mandarin collar shirt. If you learned something from this video, please support my channel by clicking like, share, and subscribe. Daghang salamat!